Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeskim sam guys. Sikhuluma ngeskim sam. Selokhu ke sikhuluma ngendaba ke kaMapitsi kanye ke no mnyeni wakhe ke bakithi kanye ke no DJ Thomas ke ongena ke ngefastela ke emshadweni kaMapitsi kanye ke no Tibus. Well guys, namhlanje ke family izohlangana futhi ekhulunywe le ndaba ukuthi ke kunjani cha bakithi ugel akazisoli neze usababele into eseqaleni ukuthi uThibos uke wangamthandisisi kahle yamkhumulisa qwale zeyingubo ezinkulu zokuzenza omama ngesikhathi Thibos savela pheshe ethi ababe ne-open marriage ukuthi umuntu athanda nomuntu afuna ukuthandana naye she's pulling that card kuMapitsi guys ukuthi vele okade ungangithandi ngesikhathi sishada wena wangishada ngoba kwathini kodwa nje azange uzungithande yabona nje all that guys. So abantu abaningi ke ba complain la inkundla zokuxhumana bathi cha uMapitsi she's not taking responsibility ukuthi ke wenze iphutha because if wayengafuni ukushada noThibos kwakufanele angashadi bakithi akekho umuntu owamphoqayo kwakufanele angashadi oraphume ke kulo wamshado manje sekunabantwana abawuthuna lo omunye wesibili ukusolala ngathi akusiye nokaThibos kanjani manje guys but nje she's not taking responsibility yokuthi I was wrong by doing this akazisoli kahle ugele usevele wathi ke yena kahle uyamthanda ke uDJ Thomas guys akazi ukuthi uDJ Thomas he is planning ukuthi ke ambeke ke njengomuntu okuyena okade emlandela ke and ucela nabantu ukuthi bamfakazele ukuthi ke uMapitsi uyena okade emlandela ngemuva yena bengamfuna uMapitsi wazwa rent indlu wamtshela ukuthi akazolala naye khona yabona nje awusazophoxeka kodwa ke ngoJune siyeza kuthiwa cha uzozama ke ukulwela ke umshado wakhe but le ayisho namhlanje yokuthi yena aphume lobala athi vele yena ke uyamthanda ke I love Thomas and I want to be with him. How can she say that guys ekubeni kukhulunywa as a family kusho ukuthi kahle uThibos befana ngamxoleli kahle uMapitsi guys because ngampela usanganiswe lwamfana DJ ke akamfuni kuMapitsi akamfuni la hambe khona akamfuni guys akaze zamthande he was just using her nje for ucansi emva kalokho cha akasamfuni and nje bathi he's planning to put him under the bus ukuthi uyena kade imbangela yale relationship so usazophoxeka kakhulu lo sisi lo usazophoxeka kakhulu I tell you bengithi mina guys uzoyisola asho ukuthi uyaxolisa kwathini kodwa nje uthi lutho yena akaxolisi uyamthanda futhi uThomas ufuna ukuba naye uThomas yena akamfuni la hambe khona so angazi guys ukuthi yipi advice ongabanika yona ke uMapitsi kanye noThibos ukuthi wena abalungisa izinto noma abavele bahlukane nje omunye ayele bahlukanisa ingane omunye ethatha intombazane omunye ethatha umfana impilo iqhubeke. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion.